Hi everyone. So I will talk about OTB modularization. Like Thibaut previously said, OTB is divided in different modules, and for OTB 10, we will like to compile separately the different modules. So I will talk about what is modularization, why we do it, and how, what we expect from it, the different pros and cons about it, and what it brings, what it changes, and a little conclusion and a question and answer if you want. So as you can see, OTB is divided in separated modules, and like Thibaut said, we don't use all these different modules. So for us, team developer, we can't put the maintaining effort on all those modules, so we decided to separate them in different projects. There will be also a different maybe roadmap for the different modules, and we will use the existing inside toolkit, remote module mechanism to compile them separately. But we like we want to keep the existing compilation build with the OTB group CMake option. So we will keep this existing system in OTB 9, in OTB 9. When if you want to compile feature extraction, you just have to the existing OTB and use the actual OTB group feature extraction option. But the dependencies between the different modules, if they are separated, should be tracked. And each module should also compile alongside OTB. And of course, test must pass. What it brings, we can us, the OTB team, focus on the main modules like core, like feature extraction. The modules are separated by project and by knowledge. So developer can, with knowledge for SAR, for instance, can be develop only the SAR module, not touching about all the OTB modules. The source will be lighter, and this continuous integration will be faster, as we don't have to compile all the OTB. But it brings some complexity on CMake files, and you have to handle some use case if you want to compile or to use a module in a different folder. So it just changed when you download the OTB sources or OTB package. You just have two files that are generated compared to previous OTB. It's one config and one target CMake file per module. Now you will have to use you will have to specify the module that you want in the fun package CMake command. Lib names now follow the OTB version. Previously, they were named like lib feature extraction .1.0.so. Now it follows the OTB version. And if you want to use the different CMake variable that we are using in OTB build, you can know it's available with the two CMake commands. So, as said previously, if you were developing a remote module, you just use fun package, OTB, and required. Now you have to specify all the different modules that you want. It's maybe it may look more complex, but it's also more easier for maintaining and for people who read the code that you and here you know that you have to compile and that you need to have these two modules, but previously you didn't know, so now it's really explicit. Also, if you want to use the different test constants and the different installation constants that we are using, you can with those two commands. And but as said, it's bring a little complexity. So when you use CMake, you have to specify to CMake that you want to use OTB and the feature extraction folder if you compile them in separate folder. So you have to specify this folder, and for the OTB application path variable, you have to do the same. So you have to add the module binaries to your variable. So it works. We already have developed the miscellaneous and feature extraction module. The source are lighter. We will have different development rhythm, and the community can communities that have knowledge about one module can develop this module only, and can bring changes. And as already said, there are changes on CMake, and module can be installed in separate folder. With that, it can be an example of that can be one developer that wants the latest changes in one module and don't want to compile all the OTB. It can just have a folder with feature extraction, for instance, and just make a git pull to have the latest changes and just have to recompile this module only. So that's it.